this is going to be a video about stuffing animals. So this one has a button.
Also, it's a review.
Yeah.
You just want to do it.
And I know you guys know these belong in the zoo.
Lion.
Sorry guys. And it feels weird like right here. So like, no. Yeah, my brother touched it. But yeah. And it was so weird. And if you guys know it's a yard sale, I got it someday. And here's a cute bunny.
Today.
Okay. And is holding heart.
Yeah, we can see it. Wait, it's there. It's dead. Wasted.
And here's a cute teddy bear.
Likes the dancing party.
It could be right there, next to his friend. Okay, next is this one, Jessie.
From Toy Story.
Okay, and here's one more. You guys, everyone always sees a black widow.
Or a tarantula or a regular spider. Black spider.
And I think I have some more. I think so. Oh, and here's this little doll. Carry some stuff in there. There's nothing in there. I'll just carry a bell. Stuffed in. Oh, it's carrying a bell right now. And I think that's all. And
Subscribe.
More videos to show you. Maybe I'll do some in the snow, something like that.
And she's gonna start doing some vlogs, right?
I need to start doing some vlogs. Oh, and check out the funny moments. Wait. Yeah, I think funny moments. Oh, a funny moment of Minnie Mouse doing the shell one. You should check that one out.
That's only on Vine.
Funny.
And also check my channel out. We'll leave it down in the description. And leave a like and tell us what you want us to do in the next video for her.
Tell me what to do if you want me to do it. And yeah, I think that's all. Peace. Oh, I put up a 3. Peace.